Welcome to my next town. First jogging namin dito sa USM.
Life is a series of never-ending first times. At meron akong first time stories sa USM. Anong kwento ba yan? I-admiration natin yan.
Mayroon akong kwento mula sa aking paglalakbay. Mayroon akong
Foggy morning in
Karayan na yan,
USM.
Ding. Dito, anti-fog. Karayan.
See guys, campus within the metro.
I've been staying here in Cabacan for quite some time, but it's my first time to enter the University of Southern Mindanao in Cabacan, Cotabato. We entered the campus at 5 a.m. Several joggers were already waiting at the gate. Inside the campus was a touch of nature. Morning fog creeps in inside the campus, and the fog seemed like it's coming from the Cabacan River, which flows just beside the campus.
So meron din silang campus hospital. Kasi sa USM meron silang nursing, meron silang medicine, vetmed, may mga pharmacies pa no, pharmacy, medtech.
For me, this was just more than a jogging session with my cousins, but it's also a time to discover more corners of Cabacan that I've never seen before. The University of Southern Mindanao is in fact a crowd magnet in Cabacan. It has attracted thousands of students from all over the Philippines because of its quality education. Para sa mga eskolar ng bayan. This state U is free, but you have to prove that you deserve your slot to enjoy free education.
Matabay Plang guys, siya yung founder ng USM. Okay po, magbigay-pugay po tayo sa founder. Siya si Bay Haja Fatima Matabay Plang, whose vision, selfless effort, strong determination in mindedness, personal sacrifices, and genuine concern for the poor and underprivileged youth sparked the founding of the Mindanao Institute of Technology. Dati MIT siya, now USM.
Mga kakwentuhan, iyan ang mga nangyari sa araw na ito. Isang simpleng kwentuhan na sumasalamin sa kwento ng ating buhay.
ilabas ang kwento ng buhay, ilabas ang kwento ng Pinas, ilabas ang kwento ng buong mundo, ilabas ang kwento mo bilang explorer.
At iyan ang kwentong Admiration. This is Edmar del Castillo Gukib, your town the explorer. See you in my next town.